Hello everybody, I'm going to announce free Udemy courses, free coupons which are paid, but you can get the free coupons of those courses. So here are the coupons. Here is the first course and this course coupon is, here is the coupon, and if you copy this one and let me paste here, apply, and here you can see it is free. Now the next course is, here is the next course and this course coupon is this one. Let me copy it and paste here. And that's it. Now the next course coupon is, this one is the next course and this course coupon is this one. Let's copy it and that's it. Now the next course is, this is the next course, the complete AI powered copywriting course and ChatGPT course, and this course coupon is, here is the coupon of this course. Let me copy it and here I apply the coupon and now it is free. The next course is, this one is the next course and this course coupon is this one. So copy it and that's it. Now the next course is, here is the next course, how to turn your idea into a WordPress plugin and develop it, and this course coupon is this one. Copy it and apply here. That's it. The next course is, here is the last course of this video and this course coupon is this one. Copy it and paste here, apply, and that's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and if you want more coupons in future regularly, then please subscribe my channel. That's it for this video. And if you want any specific course coupon, then please comment me in the comments, tell me in the comments, and I will provide you if it is possible. And also on which topic you want a course, please tell me in the comments. I will create a course if I get the major response. Thank you.